Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you've learned on how to cancel the Finelo AI subscription. So first thing that you're going to do here is you just have to log in to your Finelo account. That's right. And then right here, you have these options. At the bottom, we have the learn, the tools, the simulator, the letterboard, and the profile. So just simply tap on the profile option. That's right. And then you have the gear icon or the settings at the top right corner of your screen. So just simply tap on this one. Okay, so right here under the subscription, you'd be able to see here the manage subscription. So just simply tap on this one. Okay, and then if you have an active subscription, you would be able to see that right here, and then a button where you can unsubscribe your current subscription. So you just have to tap on the unsubscribe button, and then you just have to confirm your action after that. And then once done, you're now good to go. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.